The Tesla Model 3's Light Show feature, officially called Holiday Light Show, allows you to synchronize your car's exterior lights with music. Introduced in late 2022, it's become a popular way to create festive displays, especially around holidays. It's accessible via the Tesla mobile app or the vehicle's touchscreen. This video will guide you through the setup and customization process so you can get started. To set up a preloaded light show, start by selecting a theme from the available options. For example, choose Holiday to access festive displays. Next, choose a song from Tesla's library of over 500 preloaded songs. These include holiday classics and other popular tracks, all optimized for light synchronization. Preview the show to see how the lights synchronize with the music. The vehicle's exterior lights will flash and pulse in time with the song's rhythm and beats. Tesla's AI analyzes the song to automatically map light flashes, pulses, and colors to the music's elements. This creates dynamic patterns that enhance the visual experience without manual adjustments. For a personalized experience, you can upload your own custom songs to create unique light shows. Start by opening the Tesla app on your phone and navigating to the Light Show section. Within the Light Show menu, select the Custom Songs option. Pair your phone with the car via Bluetooth to enable file transfer. Ensure your song file is in MP3 format and under 10 megabytes in size. Make sure the song is copyright-free or that you own the rights to avoid any legal issues. Once uploaded, you can edit the light patterns in the interface editor. Tesla's AI engine dynamically adjusts the light patterns based on the song's rhythm, harmony, and dynamics. This creates various effects, like cascading lights during crescendos. The system analyzes the audio waveforms in real time, leveraging onboard processors to synchronize the lights with the music accurately, adjusting patterns for rhythm, harmony, and dynamics. The Tesla Model 3 Light Show is designed with safety and efficiency in mind. The system automatically disables the feature if the vehicle detects any motion, ensuring it only operates when parked. Additionally, it turns off if ambient light levels exceed safety thresholds, preventing distractions during daylight or bright conditions. For road safety, the light show is completely unavailable while driving. From a technical standpoint, the lights are modulated at low voltage to prevent excessive battery drain. A full 10-minute light show typically uses only about 5 to 10% of the vehicle's battery capacity, making it highly energy efficient compared to traditional holiday lighting. This functionality is built upon Tesla's broader infotainment system, leveraging onboard processors for real-time audio processing. The system operates independently without cloud dependency for its core functions, ensuring reliability and privacy. Security considerations are addressed through regular over-the-air software updates, which patch any potential vulnerabilities and maintain the system's integrity. If you're encountering issues with the Tesla Model 3 Light Show, here are some common troubleshooting steps to help resolve them. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface, completely unlocked, and that there are no obstructions blocking the exterior lights. If custom songs aren't uploading, verify the file format is MP3, the size is under 10 megabytes, and that the song is copyright-free or personally owned. For unexpected glitches or unresponsive features, try rebooting the Tesla system through the touchscreen controls. Ensure your Tesla software is current with the latest over-the-air updates to access new light show features and resolve known issues. Following these troubleshooting steps should help resolve most issues with your Tesla Model 3 Light Show. Tesla light shows are evolving as part of a broader trend towards smart vehicle entertainment, where cars become interactive platforms for personalized experiences. Future updates may introduce augmented reality overlays, allowing nearby spectators to see enhanced visual effects through connected devices. Integration with popular music streaming services like Spotify could enable seamless access to vast music libraries for creating light shows. Vehicle-to-vehicle synchronization might allow coordinated light displays during events like parades or concerts, creating spectacular group performances. Generative AI could revolutionize customization by creating unique light shows based on simple user descriptions like themes for holidays or celebrations. These exciting developments promise to make Tesla light shows even more engaging and accessible, transforming vehicles into mobile entertainment hubs.